Welcome to Computer CPI Plus. This is Morshed. Today I'm going to show you a quick troubleshoot for a not charging issue. Customer bought the device for the not charging, and we did diagnose the device, test everything pretty much, and we found a crazy issue. As you can see, not charging right now, and we have the charger plugged in, and we make sure the adapter is good, is 19.5 volt, is great. The problem is here. So as we can see, there is a pin. It's a little bit shorted out, so we make a room here to make a jumper to test it. So I'm going to make a jumper here, so you're gonna take a look here. Alright, so let's take a look, and it should charge over there. I guess my tweezer is move around, so it's moved, so I'm going to, there you go. So as you can see, if we use a jumper here or desolder DC charging port and use a new one, then it should be fixed. All right, that's all. Thank you and have a good day. If you have by the way, if you have one and you need to diagnose, and you can send the device to us here. We located at Lakewood, Bradenton, Florida. Our contact number is 941-567-6431. Thank you so much. Bye bye.